Hello everyone, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. Friends, if you are new to my channel and still have not subscribed yet, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload new video recipes, you get that video notifications. So don't forget to press the bell. So today's recipe is Rosogolla, the most popular Bengali sweet and my favorite too. And being a Bengali, I feel overwhelmed to present this recipe to you. So today I will show you how you can make these spongy soft Rosogollas easily in your home. I will also share some tips and tricks for this. Now first check the ingredient list. And now let's start with the first part of Rosogolla, that is making the Chenna. So to make Rosogolla, I have taken 1.5 liter full fat milk. Yes, please take full cream milk or full fat milk. You can even use homogenized milk or pasteurized milk, but do not use less fat, toned milk or skimmed milk. Now allow this to boil. And now to make the Chenna, I have taken 3 tablespoons vinegar in a bowl. And now add enough water to it. Mix it properly. And now once the milk comes to a boil, just reduce the flame and slowly add the vinegar and mix it properly. You can see the milk is getting curdled. The milk should curdle completely with the green watery way. And now you can see the milk totally curdled. Now switch off the flame and now immediately pour the curdled milk in a muslin cloth. Here I am using cotton supermarket bags. I have washed this bag thoroughly before using it. Now rinse the Chenna so that it removes the vinegar smell. And now slightly squeeze the cotton bag with your hands just to drain out the excess water. Now do not squeeze too much also. Now we'll hang this cotton bag and allow the excess water to drain out on its own. Now keep it like this for 4 hours. Now after 4 hours, take out the Chenna from the cotton bag. And now you need to mash this Chenna. Now at this time we will start preparing the sugar syrup. So for 1.5 liter milk, I have taken 1.5 cup of sugar. So 1.5 cup sugar. So the easy ratio is for half liter milk, half cup sugar. So I have taken 1.5 liter milk, so I am adding 1.5 cup of sugar. So in a large pot I am adding sugar. So for 1 cup sugar I am adding 4 cups of water, and for half cup sugar I am adding 2 cups of water. So all total for 1.5 liter milk you need 1.5 cup of sugar and 6 cups of water. Now allow this to boil. Make sure that the sugar syrup should be very thin and watery. It helps the sugar syrup to get inside the Rasgullas. Put the gas flame in high and start making the gullas. Now mash the chenna very well and now start kneading it. Using the palm of your hands, just knead it like this. Now kneading this for almost 2 to 3 minutes. You can see the texture. It's still very rough. And now we'll add 3 teaspoon maida to the chenna. 1 teaspoon each maida for half liter milk. So for 1.5 liter milk I have used 3 teaspoon of maida. Now start kneading the mixture with your palm. With the heels of your palms, just smash the chenna and knead it properly. Now keep on collecting the chenna from the sides and continue to mash and knead. This kneading process is very important. I kneaded this for about 10 minutes. Now I will start making the gullas. Now I tried out one, but you can see it's not coming out smooth. You can see there are plenty cracks. So this kneading is not done yet. We need to knead this for some more time. Now the question is how long you need to knead the chenna. You need to knead the chenna until it turns smooth and uniform and without any cracks. So I have kneaded this for another 7 to 8 minutes. And now again I will try to make some gullas. So I have made some tiny balls and some medium sized balls just to show you their final size. So now you can see the smooth balls. Now like this, make all the balls. Now once you finish doing all the balls, then only dip them in the sugar syrup. Now add 3 crushed cardamom pods. And once you see the boiling sugar syrup, one by one add the Rasgullas. Now cover it with a lid and in high flame allow this to boil for 10 minutes. Now 10 minutes is done. Open the lid and you can see the Rasgullas have increased in their size. Now without lid, boil this for another 2 minutes in high flame. In between, stir the Rasgullas with a spoon. Now after 2 minutes, cover the lid and put the flame in low to medium flame and allow it to cook well for 15 minutes in low to medium flame. Now after 15 minutes, you can see the Rasgullas. Just stir the Rasgullas with a spoon. Now switch off the flame and now allow this to come in room temperature. Now once you see it has come to the room temperature, pour them in a bowl I'm using this type of earthen pot as in Bengal whenever you go to buy Rosogollas they will provide you in this type of earthen pots. And you need to dip the Rosogollas for 3 hours in the sugar syrup before serving. So keep it like this for 3 hours. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you like it, then please like the video, share it with your friends and family, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.